In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Proton Mail on Cachyos. Cachyos is an optimized Arch-based Linux distribution, and one nice advantage here is that the Proton Mail application is available as a pre-compiled package in the official Cachyos repositories. That means you do not need to build it manually, which saves time and system resources. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on the recommended command line method, starting with updating your system repositories so everything is in sync before installation. To begin, open your terminal. On most systems, you can do that quickly with the Control, Alt, and T keyboard shortcut. You can also launch it from your application's menu if you prefer. Once the terminal is open, the first thing you want to do is synchronize your package databases and update any installed packages. This helps ensure your system is aligned with the latest available software from the Cachyos repositories, which can prevent version mismatches and installation issues. In the terminal, run the following command: sudo pacman su. After you enter that command, your system may ask for your password. Type it in and press enter. Keep in mind that when entering a password in the terminal, you usually won't see characters appear on the screen, and that is completely normal. The update process may take a little time depending on how many packages need to be upgraded and how fast your internet connection is, so let it finish completely before moving on. If Pacman asks you to confirm the installation or replacement of packages, read the prompt carefully and approve it if everything looks correct. Also, if you see that a large system update is being applied, it's a good idea to avoid interrupting the process. Closing the terminal or shutting down the computer in the middle of an update can cause package management problems later. Once the command completes successfully, your repositories will be refreshed and your system will be updated. This puts you in the best position to continue with the Proton Mail installation in the next step. If the terminal reports errors related to mirrors, network access, or locked package databases, resolve those first before continuing, because a clean repository sync is the foundation for a smooth install. At this stage, you've completed the preparation step for installing Proton Mail on Cachyos. Your system is now up to date, your package lists are synchronized, and you're ready to move forward with the actual package installation.